Learn more daily.
Hi children. Today we learn A. A is for apple. This is A. This is capital A. This is small a. Sound of A is A. A apple. A ant. Angel. Alligator. How to write A? Slanting line to right, slanting line to left, sleeping line. What is this? Yes, this is an alligator. Alligator is big. Capital A is an big as an alligator. What is this? Yes, this is an ant. Small a is as small as an ant. Find capital A and small a and circle them. This is capital A apple. This is small a, angel. Again small a. Please subscribe for next class.